Greetings, everyone, and welcome to this exclusive update. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of the powerful stories we bring your way. Today, we bring you a gripping legal and political drama unfolding between Zambia, the Lungu family, and South Africa. A tale of courtroom twists, diplomatic entanglements, and a family's determination to seek justice. In a stunning and bold move, the family of the late President Edgar Chagwa Lungu has filed a legal request urging the Zambian judiciary to block the government's attempt to remove a South African minister from an ongoing international court case. The case has sent shockwaves through Zambia's political and legal circles and is now attracting serious attention beyond its borders. The Lungu family insists that the presence of the South African minister is not only valid but critical to ensuring that the full truth is brought to light in a matter that could redefine diplomatic relations between the two countries. According to close family insiders and legal documentation obtained through confidential sources, the Lungu family believes that efforts by the Zambian government to exclude South African input are a calculated attempt to manipulate the narrative, shield key players, and prevent damning evidence from surfacing. They argue that the South African minister is a vital witness who holds first-hand information related to intergovernmental communications, security operations, and potentially damaging events that occurred both prior to and following Edgar Lungu's dramatic fallout with the current administration. This battle is not just a legal fight, it is deeply emotional. The Lungu family has been embroiled in public scrutiny, pressure, and what they claim are targeted campaigns to silence them. They view the attempt to push the South African minister out of the case as yet another attempt to bury critical evidence, frustrate their pursuit of justice, and ultimately rewrite the circumstances surrounding key developments that have left many Zambians with more questions than answers. Observers have noted that this case represents more than just one family's fight. It reflects a broader struggle over transparency, accountability, and state power. For the Lungu family, the court is not just a venue to argue points of law, it's the only remaining battlefield where they believe the truth can prevail. Their legal representatives have delivered passionate submissions emphasizing that the removal of the South African minister would cripple their case and strip the proceedings of vital context. They argue that the minister's insights could expose critical inconsistencies and clarify exactly what kind of influence foreign diplomats had, or didn't have, on the Zambian government's handling of specific state affairs. What's most striking in this entire ordeal is the cross-border nature of the controversy. It's rare for a domestic legal matter to attract this level of international attention, but the Lungu case is no ordinary situation. At its core lies the intersection of political legacy, national sovereignty, and foreign relations. If the court sides with the government and removes the South African minister, questions will persist over what exactly was being hidden. On the other hand, if the minister is allowed to testify, the outcome could spark explosive revelations, potentially implicating high-level figures and reshaping public perception. As the court deliberates, the stakes couldn't be higher. The nation watches with bated breath, and the international community is paying close attention. The Lungu family continues to maintain a firm position, not backing down, vowing to exhaust every legal option available to protect the integrity of the case. Their resolve is not just about clearing a name, it's about demanding answers, securing justice, and defending what they believe is the legacy of a leader who still commands loyalty from a significant portion of the population. This ongoing case is not just a legal battle, it is a defining moment for Zambia's democratic journey and its respect for the rule of law. No matter which way the ruling goes, it will leave a lasting imprint on the political and judicial history of the country. The people deserve transparency, the truth must be upheld, and the process should remain untampered. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more updates on this developing story and other major news that matters to you. Share this video, leave your thoughts in the comments, and keep the conversation going. We'll be right here to keep you informed, engaged, and ahead of the story. Stay tuned.